Hello everyone. Do you have experience with Excel/Google Sheets? Start earning money right away. Are you an Excel wizard or have knowledge on how Excel works? Then you are in the right place. Can you solve formula problems? Can you come up with graphs and charts as shown in this screen? Then I will introduce you to a genuine website which accepts applicants worldwide. You can work as a full-time or a part-time expert at your free time. How to apply? Begin your application by connecting with your email or Facebook account. Watch 3 short videos on the website on how to become a successful Excel expert. 3. Test your skills in formulas, pivot tables, VLOOPs, or other problems. 4. Start helping professionals and earn real money in dollars every week for each explanation you provide. So, are you ready to start working? Okay, follow me to the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. I will be posting more related videos and you will not want to miss out. Excel Chart is the website that gives you opportunity to work with them, and their link is expert.excelchart.co. As you can see from their website, if you are a hard worker, you can work and make up to $500 every week. So, when you come to this website, the first thing you do, you click on apply. Then fill up details in the pop-up box. Fill up your email address, choose appropriate password. Then once your email is verified, log in again, watch the 3 videos that I had mentioned earlier, test your skills, and start working. And please don't forget to thank me later. Thank you for watching. Bye.